Hey guys, welcome to Little Rubif. Today I'm here with Mamaearth Charcoal Face Mask. I have been using this for a year and I'm so satisfied with this product. I have a really bad pigmentation and dark spots on my face and wanted to try a charcoal face mask, which is a trending ingredient in skincare for pigmentation. Main ingredients are charcoal, coffee and clay, hence the name C3 mask. This has a very thick and smooth consistency and is very easy to apply. Wash your face with water or face wash and apply a thin layer of C3 face mask. It has a very strong menthol smell and a cooling sensation, which you can feel it when you apply it on your face. Leave it for 15 minutes. Once it's dry, pat your face with water and massage in circular motion. It exfoliates your skin really well and plays a vital role in deep cleansing, removing blackheads and whiteheads and lightening the spots on long run usage. On the top, it leaves your skin so refreshed. I use this once in a week or sometimes twice a month. For some skin types, it may not suit or may cause some irritation or dryness, so be your own judge.